Do you want to learn R for data analysis, but you just don't know where to start from? Or you've been using R in copy and paste mode, only for you to get stuck with the code, but you just can't figure out why your code is not working for your dataset? Or you have some basics in R programming, but still you can't figure out how to apply those basic principles in real-life data analysis? If any of those sounds familiar to you, you are in the right place. For many people trying to learn R for data analysis, the most common challenge they face is that, yes, there are very many tutorials that teach you R, but they fall into two extremes. There are those that just teach you the basics of R programming without showing you how to apply those basics in real-life data analysis. On the other hand, we have those that just jump into data analysis without teaching you the basics that you need to understand the codes. As a result, you just end up memorizing code instead of understanding R. In this series, we take a blended approach. We first teach you the basics of R programming language. Then after laying a strong foundation with the basics, we jump into data analysis. So as we move this journey, you will not just understand what code to write, but you will also understand why that code works and how can you adapt it to your own data needs. Whether you're completely new to R, or you've been analyzing data using these point-and-click softwares like SPSS and Stata, but you want to learn a programming language, this is the right place for you. If you're tired of copying and pasting code for your data analysis, you are also in the right place. Here, no prior experience in programming is required. We start from zero. So this shall be our roadmap. We shall start by installing R and R Studio. Then we navigate the R Studio interface. We jump into the basics of R programming. Then we go into data manipulation using R, where we shall talk about packages. We move to data analysis in R. We look at the different statistical tests and how to model them in R. We look at advanced data visualization and other capabilities that R can do. So if you're ready to understand R, not just memorizing code, just stay with me. So consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel so that you do not miss out any of our subsequent episodes. Next, we shall be installing R and R Studio. See you in the next video.